Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back again to this tutorial, and welcome back again to Nomax TV. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from Microsoft Office reward points. So if we use various browsers such as Microsoft Office Edge, Chrome, also we can use them to search or to find out the information in various ways. But also the specific which is here in this video is that I'm going to be showing you how you can be making money from Microsoft rewards point by using Microsoft Office Edge browser. First of all, subscribe to this channel Nomax TV, like this video, share this video to your friends, and if you have any suggestion or concern, also leave it in the comment section. So without wasting time, let's get started. So as you see here, I have earned points from my search. As you see, from today I have earned this kind of points, which is 214 from searching within this browser. So if I'm going to be searching also from this browser, I'm going to be making additional money or additional points from this. So let me try, for example, searching new words here like business development and see if there's something which is going to be changing. So if I search business development here, so you can see I'm having this kind of points, which is here 214, and also you see they are also showing the notification here at the top, which is also showing the rewards point that I have earned today. So I have 214, and also I can click here to redeem this point into and we're going to be seeing how you can be redeeming this point. And also you see I can be able to set the goal that I want to be earning to achieve, or I can be working it to attain. So if I come here below, you see I have this one. I have a goal to achieve this one. I have goal of reaching to 2000 points, reward points to achieve my goal. And so you see I have to, it's 1800 points that I have to attain as my goal. And also you can be able to set your own goal that you use and also be able to earn reward points. So for example, if I click on here, you see unlock a grand prize which is plus 1000 points. Will be unlocking a grand prizes. Here is also how you can be earning all those points, 5 points and others. So let me try, for example, coming here to search and see if I have this kind of points. You see by searching, also look in your goal level goals to status. I have 36 of 100, and here I have to search on PC, and also I have 15 over 30, which means I can be continuing to search and also earn more rewards or more points, which are going to be also making me earning more points. So if I click here on searching, for example, I have this 30. I have to also let me search business development here. So business cards here. So I had 214, and you can see 3 points are added from searching only one word. So let me search on another one, which is also political development. So this is another search that I'm doing, and also you can see that I want to be adding another points. So you see I have 217. I want to be getting another additional points, 3 additional points from every search, which means the way I'm going to be searching, I can continue also increasing my reward points. So let me click here on these reward points and also try to click on a redeem. So if you want to redeem your points, that means you're going to be redeeming into money, also redeeming into other replacement that can be also working in case of your payment, which means it should be paying money instead of that. And also you can redeem this amount or these points into the equivalent money that you should be paying that item. So you can see here I have 220, and also I have to achieve this one to be able to get this digital card. So this digital card, also if for example I click on this one, And also you see this card requires 6,500 points and I have 220. You can see they are showing me also every kind of, you see I have this one also is equal to 1 USD to care, and also I need to reach to this one. I need to reach to 1,000 points to be able to get this money. And also this the things that I'm going to be doing, because I want to be only making this money by only searching. For instance, let me click here on this one, Roblox, and also see what is going to be coming. So if I click on this Roblox, you see 200 Roblox, you can see I have 400. You can be clicking to anything you want. You see this is the goal that I must achieve, or I must attain to be able to earn that Roblox card also. And if you are going to be counting that Roblox card also, you can find that is going to be it is costing money as well. So you can also be able to click here below and also decide to earn money. If I click here as well, I'm going to be earning money. So let me choose, for example, if I click on earn, and also there are various options here that I can decide to choose the one I'm going to be making money from. Instead of searching, of course, if I search, I'm going to be earning points, which are going to be redeemable when I hit the given goal I have set. And also, you see now I have also earned these 15. For example, let me go down. So if I want, do you know the answer? Let me click to this, for example, and see if I want to be earning these kind of points. So do you know this answer? Yes. Now that is trivia, and so if I click on it, and also let me see, where did the middle span of this bridge go? So you are going to be responding to this question. If I want to be responding to where, there are 3 questions. Once you are done responding to all these questions, we're going to be earning as well. You see also they are counting it as such because they even added more points, which means the more I use this browser, the more earnings are going to be added. You can see automatically after clicking on this question, I'm earning 5 points. So for instance, let me also click on this one. So if I skip on the puzzle, also I can check if my earnings as well, because I clicked on it. You see the earnings also are added as well. This means that I can be able to earn points by also doing these tasks they have also displayed here. And also I can even be able to earn, as I showed you, I have this goal to be attaining, which is 1,800 points. And also that is the reason why they are showing me that I'm remaining with that to complete those points to be able to attain my goal. So not only those activities or those tasks you need to perform to be able to earn, but also you can be able to earn points by also searching as well. So if I click here, you see, if I click here as well, you can see I'm going to be seeing the status, which this is my level. Ready you to earn your first badge. You will be also earning the badge as well as you continue growing. And also you can be continuing to search, and also the more you search, the more you earn point as well. So if I type development, or also if I type entrepreneurship, that is where I'm going to be earning the points as well. So entrepreneurship, so I'm going to be earning the point as well, because as I search, even only searching, you can see that my points are increasing, which means the more I search, the more so I earn points, which are going to be redeemable into money as well, or into cards that I can be using instead of money as well. So this is the way you can be also earning money from Microsoft rewards points, which means the more you search, the more you use this browser to search the information, the more you're going to be making money from your browser, which you can also be able to, you're going to be earning money in terms of points, and also you can be able to redeem these points into the way you want after completing the goal, after hitting the main goal that you have set to attain, or after hitting the main goal that you have set to be able to pay, which are going to be paying using these Microsoft reward points. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel TV, like this video, share this with your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when I upload a new video here at No Max TV.